You done drop your real life phone.
We're running out of this. This is. Do we have more? Let me just check.
Hey. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Is it?
Mommy, do you know
We
what
have a new one.
that's a mini baby koala, you know?
Thank you, Ecolux.
Who's Icaro?
The brand. Do you like this brand too, India?
She wants to put it in her hair.
Do you, Indy?
Mommy, there's a tiny bit in her hair.
Do you, handsome?
Eli doesn't look at my fence anymore.
He doesn't look at your fence anymore.
No.
Oh, that's okay. Maybe next time. Maybe he's busy.
He never.
Well, he did last time, and I saw a photo of you and Eli. Your teacher took it. Hey, baby. You can go. I can't. Come on, baby. I want to be wild and free.
Indy, it's your birthday today.
Is it? Is it your birthday? That's what you want. That's what you want. Of course it is. Hello, guys. Mommy's getting Ate ready. Today is my citizenship exam day.
Mommy.
Mamayang hapon yun. And I have grocery coming ng morning. Tapos I have to go out to get my photo ticket. So grocery, darating yung grocery. So ready na tong isa. Tapos yeah. And hopefully mapatulog kita before ako umalis for passport photo. Yeah? Can we do that?
Oh, yay!
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Go Indy. Go Indy. Go Indy.
Oh, she wants the phone.
Well done, Bubber.
She wants her real life phone.
I know. Good job, India. Good crawling, beautiful.
Daddy, Indy has a real life phone.
Whoa, go.
Where's my mama?
Kuya! Kuya is awake. Kuya is awake. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da, boom, boom, boom. Where's my koi koi? Good morning.
Thank you, Al.
I love you, boy. Mwah. Mommy. I love you. Love you.
I have to do it Indy.
Okay. Hi, Kuya. Hello. Will you let mommy get ready? Yes, okay, thank you. Is it a good idea? Mommy get ready while you play. Yes? Yeah? Oh, you wanna come to mama? Oh, come to mama. What? Agoy! Agoy, wait sa magbihis lang ako. Ayaw pumayag ng aking inday.
What is the matter?
Hello! Is that what you want? You want the guys? Hey! Are you being a good girl? Oh no, oh no, oh no, she's coming! Oh no, she's coming to get you guys. Oh no! You silly Billy! You are so fast! Oh my goodness, indeed. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Don't, please don't. Can you get something else? Do you want to get your headband? Behind you. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, you are so good. Hello, beautiful. Hey. I know. Ay, sus! Kagwapa ba ya? Kagwapa ba yan na akong hindi? What do you want, mothers? Oy.
Call from 048.
Hello, Rachel speaking. from Kohl's. Magre-ready na sana ako kasi napatulog ko si Indy but biglang tumawag si Kuya. Sabi niya, meron akong delivery dito sa labas. First time ko na tumawag sila. Di sila tumatawag, iniiwan lang nila. But yeah, this time tumawag siya. Naka-sale yung jumpies. So I just got jumpies.
I like zombies, Mama.
I know you like jumpies.
Yum.
And then, tingnan nyo to.
Mommy, are you bite out of me?
Na yupi. Okay lang kaya
Are you
yun?
the bite out of me?
Okay lang yan?
Are you the bite out of me?
I did. I bought that for you. Yay.
Mommy, snack.
Yummy snack. So I got 2 milk for
Mommy,
Indy.
the one and 2 milk.
But yun na, yupi yung isa. That's for Indy.
Well, and Indy not finish it.
Oh, she finishes it. She likes her milky.
Mm.
We have this. Do you wanna peel
Mommy,
this?
there's a difference too.
It says peel and win.
Is it sticker? Is it sticker? Is it sticker, Mommy?
Free Sanitarium with Big's breakfast cereal.
I'm seeing, Mommy.
You get a free cereal when you check out next time.
I'm seeing.
Yeah. Keep it.
I almost
And
done
then we
now.
got-
I almost done, Mommy.
Agoy, natapon. Ano ba
Mommy,
yun?
almost done.
Natapon,
Mommy, almost
mayupi.
done, Mommy.
Yeah. I got done this soap. Kasi allergic siya sa shampoo, shampoo. Allergic siya sa shampoo niya, pero yun lagi ginagamit niya.
Mommy.
Tapos, na-phase out na, hindi na available. So sabi ko, ako nga maghanap ng shampoo sa'yo. Kasi yung scalp niya, red pa din. Tapos nagre-red yung dito niya, oh. So feeling ko sa shampoo siya. But ang laki ng tiwala niya sa shampoo na yun. Kahit na hindi naman nag-work. Tapos nahihirapan na siya hanapin kasi face out na nga. Sabi ko, ako na nga bahala maghanap ng shampoo sa'yo. So tinanong ko si ChatGPT and isa to sa mga recommendations niya. It's a gentle shampoo. It's good for dry and sensitive scalp. Wala siya nung mga nasties. So hopefully, Dan likes it. It's fragrance free as well. And ito siya nag-add sa cart nito. Yan. And then I got this. Hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan ng mga bata to. Toothpaste. Naka half price siya. I got Indy's food. Konti na lang yung natira kong gawa kong food. So just in case hindi pa ako makagawa agad, at least meron siyang food niya. So naka, I don't know, but like 5 for something siya. So I got 10. Just 10 different ones. And again, that's good as well kapag kumakain kami sa labas. Yan lang yung dinadala namin na food ni Indy. Fries. Naubusan na kami ng fries. I saw this and I wanted to try it. It's buttermilk spicy wings. So I got that. And I also got chicken tenders. Try natin to. Kasi gustong-gusto ko yung sa Foodland eh. Try natin yan kasi mas convenient sa akin kapag Kohl's. I got 3 probiotic drinks. And then, it should be 10 yogurts.
Yummy.
Kasi naka 5 for something siya.
Let me try.
You wanna try? No, get some from the fridge. We still have some. Yeah, you know how to get it. And a lot of toilet papers. 3 packs yung in-add to cart ni Daddy kasi naka-sale siya. I think naka half price siya. Alright, yung appointment ni Dan is 9:45 daw. After ng appointment niya, uwi na siya dito. Tapos alis ako para magpa-picture. It's currently 9:58.
Mommy, we're not doing it for you, Mommy.
Huh?
Not doing it.
Oh, sorry. Close it, please. Thank you. Sabi niya, hindi mo close yung fridge. Good boy. Always close the fridge, okay?
What is with your phone here?
I know, we have more yet.
What is not empty?
Alright guys, let's go back and get ready. Ayusin ko lang yung buhok ko. Tapos maglagay ng konting kolorete sa mata. May white noise. So, background music na lang kayo.
Oh, bring me back to that day. I had all of this waiting ahead. It kills to be halfway alive since I had you and
galing naman ang timing ni Dan. Kakatapos ko lang talaga. Daddy's here.
Daddy,
Yeah. Daddy's gonna look after you, okay? Because I need to...
Daddy,
Daddy's here, yes. Just wait. He's in the garage. Maybe he's on the phone. I really need a new black with gold buckle belt. Magpa-picture ako, tapos balik naman ako. Kasi mamaya hapon pa yung exam ko eh. Magpapa-picture lang ako sa post office. Great timing. I just finished getting ready. And Indy sleeping as well. Let me just check the photo requirements again. You wanna bring the monitor?
You stay down here, watch TV then.
I'll go, babe, when I'm ready, okay?
This TV? Yeah, you know.
Yeah. Upload a digital photograph to email account. Alright, just a passport photo. Okay, I can do that. Sorry?
I'll be a buffet.
Philippines?
Oh,
A Hulk?
yeah.
Yeah, Hulk is in the Philippines too. Yeah, he's everywhere.
He far away.
Yeah, he lives far away. I'll go, okay?
Yeah.
I love you.
You know, sleeping song.
No, I'm not going to the Filipino shop. Tomorrow we will go together, okay?
Yes, I've been morning the Delhi.
Sorry?
I've been morning the Delhi.
Tomorrow morning, yes. Daddy's upstairs, okay? I just need to go
But I know
to...
it's morning.
That's Daddy. So if you need help, go upstairs, Daddy, okay? Love you.
And the door toilet.
Yeah, if you need to go to the toilet, tell Daddy, okay?
I
So, dinoble check ko yung requirements. Yung requirements for, citizenship test. So, sabi doon, make sure you have like a professional photograph. And I don't remember getting my photo taken sa, Australia Post. Kasi nga, nung sinubmit ko nga yung documents ko for citizenship, wala, hindi ko sinadyang isubmit siya kasi ayaw ko pa nga sana. Naalala ko lang, I took a photo using the phone. Tapos nag-next lang ako hanggang sa nagbayad ako and nasubmit ko siya. So, naalala ko, wala, hindi professional yung photo ko. Sa phone ko lang talaga siya kinuha. And ang pangit nun, guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan nila gagamitin tong picture na to. But they did say sa documents na dapat yung picture is like professionally taken. So that's what I'm doing now. Kasi chinek ko yung account ko and hindi ko na ma-open yung photo. Once na-send mo na kasi siya, yung mga documents, yung mga attachments, hindi mo na ma-open ulit. Yeah, makikita mo lang na na-send mo na siya, tapos yung pangalan ng document, pero hindi mo makikita yung document or yung attachments mismo. So, hindi ko na makita yung photo, but I'm pretty sure it was not a good one because I remember just taking it sa lounge, walang makeup, walang ayos. Yeah, hindi ko alam kung ito na yung photo na gagamitin nila for Australia passport. Hindi ko alam pa kung ano pang magiging proseso. Ang alam ko, mag-take ka ng exam ngayon. Kapag nakapasa ka, magsischedule sila ng ng ceremony for the oath taking. And then I think after the oath taking, mag-a-apply na ako ng passport ko. Pero ang alam ko, kakailanganin ko din talaga ng picture kasi mag-a-apply ako ng Australian passport. Plus magdo-dual citizen din kasi ako. So kakailanganin ko din ng picture para sa Philippine passport. So sana asikaso natin lahat before tayo umuwi ng Pinas. Noon ayoko pa. Ngayon parang gusto ko nang mapadali na yung proseso para hopefully meron na akong 2 passport before tayo mag-travel ng Pinas. Hindi naman kailangan. As long as meron akong valid passport, okay na ako. But if maasikaso natin siya this year, then that's good. If not, then next year na. That's good as well. So, hindi ko alam kung mariremove ko yung unang photo na sinend ko. I-check naman siguro nila lahat, no? Kasi yung gamitin naman siguro nila is yung maganda, yung ito. Hello. Kasi nag-ayos ako for this. Guys, I was there for less than 15 minutes. Kasi maraming tao. Kung walang tao sana, ang bilis-bilis lang. I love it. Gustong-gusto ko yung mga mabilis talaga ng mga transaction lang. And I've got physical copies. And sinend din nila sa email ko. And na-receive ko na. Agad-agad. I paid only $21.95. Ang mura lang, diba? Tas ang bilis pa. I love it. Hala, available to. Hindi ako pwede mag-pick up today. Ano ba yan? Donut is available for pick up. Okay sana kung pwede na i-pick up ngayon. Didiretso ako ngayon. Kaya lang from 3:30 pa daw. Nag-order ako ng donuts guys sa Welcome Asia. So bukas ko na talaga yung ma-pick up. Alas 3 yung exam ko. And after ng exam ko, uwi ako agad guys sa aking mga kids. Kasi may appointment si daddy mamayang hapon. And ang maiiwan is sila Sharon lang. Nakakaya naman kung tagal kong iwan yung mga bata. I don't like. Tuwang-tuwa siya sa kuya niya. Alright, do that again, kuya. You like it? So, si Indy nagising. Napatulog ko na kanina, nagising. Alis na ako eh. Nintay ko na lang si Dan na bumaba. Tapos alis na agad ako. No? Kasi malapit na mag-alas 2. Alas 3 yung appointment ko. Magdadrive pa ako sa city. Nasaan na yung daddy mo? Bumaba yun ng mga 1:30. Tapos sabi niya, tawag lang ako isa. Tapos bababa na ako. Wala pa. 1:54 na. Go tell daddy. Say, daddy, na mommy needs to go. Go. Go to his office.
I'll leave here probably about 3:30 or so.
And then we won't be back until tonight.
Got some keys off to someone.
Bye.
Where do you want to Charlie?
You again. I don't mind to spend a little time away, but want your hands and not pixels on a web. Down with this internet. I run, call you up, you're on the other side. Say my name, kiss my name, believe no more. It's like we're right here, then I realize how can I have you when we're worlds apart? Say my name, we're not here, can only go so far. The quiet has a way with words. I think even my thoughts have had enough.
I'm here. I'm at the car park. I'm early as usual. It's 2:24. Maglalakad ako papunta doon. I need to be there 20 minutes before. So, dapat nandun na ako ng 2:40. So, okay lang. Pero hindi naman ganun kalayo yung lakad. Malapit lang ako. Alright. Magkano kayong parking natin? Yan na yung building ata. 70 Franklin Street. So, tatawid na tayo. Dito na tayo. Nakikita ko na ang Australian Government Department of Home Affairs. Let's go. Time check. 3:12. Ang bilis ko. 95% ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mali ko dun. I think I answered it for like 5 minutes. Hindi siya values kasi nakapasa ako eh. Sa pre-practice ko, walang word for word na lumabas. Pero nakakatulong talaga yung yung app na sinabi ko sa inyo last time, yung citizenship app. Ano kaya yung namali ko dun? Anyway, let's go. Kasi maya-maya lang. Alis na yun si Dan. 3:30 alis daw siya ng bahay. Ang aga ko pa. Pagdating ko dun, ano pa lang guys. Pagdating ko dun, 2:30 pa lang. 3 nga yung appointment ko. Pwede kang 20 minutes early. So, kailangan ko pa maghintay ng 10 minutes para maging 20 minutes early ako. And, yeah. Tapos naghintay pa ako. Ayan na. Nandun na nga si Nana. Alright, kakarating lang ni Nana ng bahay. Alright, let's go. I need to pay sa exit. $2. Ang mura lang. $2 lang nabayaran ko guys. Very good. Good job. Okay, it says 30 minutes to home. Kailangan kong i-process yung change of name. Akala ko guys, kapag married ka na and meron kang marriage certificate, automatic na yun, bali yun na yung change name na document. Hindi pala. Kailangan mong i-apply yung change of name. Kung gusto mong gamitin yung last name ng asawa mo. I wasn't aware. Ang bait ni kuya dun, sabi niya, yeah, no, that's okay. My wife did the same. She had to change everything. Kasi akala ko talaga automatic na siya. Kasi yung driver's license ko, last name na ni Dan yung gamit ko. Tapos wala naman silang change of name na document na hiningi. Marriage certificate lang showing na we got married and I wanna use his last name, yun lang. But with the citizenship, I need to do that. I need to apply for or process the change of name. But sabi niya, walang problema, okay lang. Just process that. Ninote na niya dun na change of name. So yeah, meron pa akong aasikasuhin. I need to asikaso the change of name. And yeah, yun. Tapos kailangan kong i-update yung aking driver's license because yung driver's license ko, nilagay nila yung middle name ko. Ayokong gamitin yung middle name ko na. Gusto ko gamitin yung lang, yung pangalan ko, tapos yung last name ni Dan. So, yung dalawa kailangan kong asikasuhin. But it should be quick. Online lang naman to lahat. Bahay na ako. Wala na si Dan. Oh no. Someone's crying. Hey. Look. Is that you? Is that you? Okay. Here. Good job. Can you turn off the TV, ate? Indy's not watching. Tulog yung Arlo ko, guys. Nakatulog sa couch. Yeah. Yeah, turn it off, Bubbers. Thank you. Wala pala si Dan. Meron siyang dinner. Client dinner na naman. Napapadalas yung dinner ng ating daddy. Wala na eh. Siya na talaga ang representative eh. Kasi siya yung siya yung director, siya yung may-ari ng company. So, noon kasi pwede niya pang ipasa sa boss niya. Alam mo yun, ngayon, siya na ang boss. So, napapadalas ang dinner, ang date ng ating daddy. Thank you, ate.
What did you say?
Sa mga clients niya.
What did you
Kumain na ako, guys.
Baba.
Ang aga ko kumain kasi tulog to. So, kumain na ako kanina. And Isla's eating now. She's almost finished.
But
Arlo's no. Arlo's sleeping. And feeling ko dire-diretso na yan. Nakikita niyo ba siya? He's on the couch. I know. Maya pa ito matutulog.
Indy said, he's really bad at doing stuff. Indy said that.
Oh my gosh, Indy, you hungry? You're very hungry today? Inasikaso ko yung aking change of name. I just need to remove the middle name ng aking driver's license para mag-match siya sa citizenship document ko. Kasi sa citizenship document, walang middle name eh. Kasi yung Medicare ko din, meron ding middle name or middle initial. Para kaming lahat, wala kaming middle name. Kasi magdudual citizen naman ako, tapos nandun naman yung middle name ko guys. Sa passport ko dun. Pero dito sa Australia, yung middle name kasi nila is yung kanilang second name. Like for example, kung may second name si Ayla, yan yung middle name niya. Sa atin kasi, iba kasi yung middle name natin. Meron tayong automatic na middle name which is yung apelido ng mama natin, di ba? So, yun yung ginawa ko sa driver's license ko when I applied for my driver's license and proof of age card. Na yun ko lang na-realize na yung mga IDs na yun may mga middle name. Ubus na, be. Are you still hungry, Bubbers?
I'm done. Indy's the winner.
Indy's the winner, yeah. She won.
Me too.
Bubbers. Ipaubos natin yung stock niya.
Mama.
So, after ko matanggap yung change of name certificate, ipoprocess ko yung aking driver's license. So, yun nga, ipapatanggal ko yung middle name ko. So, yun kailangan kong gawin sa office. Hmm?
What is that time?
It says 6:22.
6:20.
You know what that number?
6:20.
Yeah, that's yeah.
6:20.
So at least nasikaso ko yan.
26.
Na pagdating ko ng bahay, hindi ko alam kung narinig nyo, iyak to ng iyak, pinapatulog siya ni Sharon sa taas. So yung ginawa ko is, dumiretso ako sa taas para patulugin siya. And then umalis na din sila Sharon kasi sabi ko, pwede pa kayo, makakahabol pa kayo sa basketball ni Eli. Kasi hindi na sana sila pupunta. Kasi akala nila matatagalan ako. Akala nila alas 5 ako darating or later. Ang bilis-bilis ko nga lang. Yun nga, mga 5 minutes natapos ko na yung exam, tapos dire-diretso na talaga ako. So dumating ako dito, wala pang 4. So yun, pinatulog ko siya agad. And then inasikaso ko agad yung change of name certificate application.
Mommy, do you
Sinisip ko, nandito na lang din naman tayo, gawin na natin lahat.
Mommy.
I just wanna make sure na yung mga updated documents ko is naka-upload na sa account ko for citizenship before mangyari yung before mangyari yung ceremony. Pero matagal pa naman yung ceremony. Yeah?
Mommy,
Kakatapos nga lang natin mag-exam.
Mommy,
Yes?
which test did you get wrong?
I don't know. I had one question that I got wrong, but I don't know which one.
Did you pass the test?
I passed, yes, with flying colors.
What
I got
the-
one mistake.
But what? Well, was people still there when you left?
Oh yeah, there were a lot of people there.
So you left straight away, and the people were still there when you left.
Yes.
Why? Was it a girl or a boy?
It was a girl that was assisting me, yes.
So why did you not tell her which one?
It didn't show up. As soon as I finished my exam, it just says 95%. It says you passed. I tried looking at the screen and chinek ko kung mayroon pa akong button na ma-press ba. But I think they did that on purpose na wala kang ma-press na button para syempre makita nung nagbabantay doon na kung ano yung score mo. I don't think they should show what you got wrong anyway. Kasi what if you did not pass? So you will know the answers.
So
Diba?
what happened if you didn't pass?
No, I studied. I made sure I will pass. So
What
if you
does
go to
study
study, means you go through your notes or you go through what you have learned in school. So when it's exam time,
Like when I'm in college school, she does that.
when you're in a big school, you
Like
need to do
when
that.
I'm
You want
10,
more?
When I'm yeah, mommy, when I'm 11, when I go in the sign reception.
No, so you will go to reception and then grade 1.
But what grade am I, mommy?
You want water? Where's your water bottle?
What grade am I?
Water bottle. Ate, where's your water bottle? The pink one. And Daddy got you a new one. Daddy got you a new water bottle. What?
Here's mine.
Huh? Do you want that? No, her water bottle, the one with boiled water. Alright, so paliguan ko tong mga bata. Good luck. Tatlo. Actually, dalawa lang kasi tulog si Dudong. Ay, hindi pa kumakain si Dudong ng din. Alright, let's do our nighttime routine.
When fish is really big in here, that's 20. That means babies are coming out.
Yeah. And I need to list the stuff that I need from the Filipino shop because I'm going there tomorrow. I'm gonna pick up donuts tomorrow.
Good night, guys.
Good night, guys. We'll
And
see you
good night,
tomorrow.
Olive.
I know. See you tomorrow, guys.
I don't have to say good night for all.
Okay. Indy, say good night, everyone. Say
Good
bye to the guys.
night.
Say bye to the guys, India. Is it yummy water? Yummy water? Yummy.
You know what's this in me? What do you say, Mama Jabba?
Yabang mo ah. Ramoni ka ha.
See, I told you it's sour.
It's not sour, it's carbonated.